Bonjour, bienvenue, welcome to Bicycle Gourmet's Wine Vine. Last time around I shared 3 great bio wines with you, and before that, 3 mouth-watering organic wines. Now, it's time for 3 great vegan wines, all Pinot Noir. First up, 2019 Girasole Pinot Noir. If aromas of ripe cherries and summer strawberry flavors float your wine boat, this one has your name on it. Veganite number 2 is a 2014 Maysara Asha Pinot Noir. Amara cherries, pine nut flavors, and silky tannins are ready to delight your palate in this liquid treasure. And bringing up the rear is the 2019 Lunaria bag-in-box Pinot Grigio. Fresh, intense, and fruity, copper-colored, with refreshing hints of yellow fruit. And 4 bottles worth of delicious. What's not to like? More details on these wines in the description.